Alright, welcome back. The next tip I want to cover is how to enter data to multiple worksheets at the same time. You can enter the same data into several worksheets without retyping or copying and pasting the text into each one. For example, you want to put the same title text into all worksheets in your workbook. One way to do this is to type the text in one worksheet and then copy and paste the text into the other worksheets. If you have several worksheets, this can be very tedious. This technique I'm going to show you is a time saver if you want to have a similar structure for your worksheets. So let me give you an example of one of my favorite Excel hacks. I have opened a workbook with 12 worksheets, one for each month. Go to the first time sheet. You want to add two headers from C1 to D1 products and order date. First of all, you have to highlight all the sheets from January to December. To do that, hold down the Control key and click the Worksheets tab like this. A faster way, if you prefer, is to highlight the first tab, then press Shift key and click on the last tab. All the months are highlighted. So now, I started typing the text. Let's go to first to C1 and type product. Then, let's move to D1 cell and type order date. Well, I think it's better to do some formatting to the cells, like adjusting the columns width and add a color using the Format Painter feature. Okay, now it's time to move to different worksheets just to make sure that the data has been entered into all months. It works fine. Now, how cool is that? This technique can save you a lot of time. I want you to try it out so you will understand how this technique works. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video tutorial.